Ready to meet the most aggressive animals in the wild? Join Animal Quiz Fun as we count down the top 5 fiercest creatures that you wouldn't want to mess with. First is the saltwater crocodile, the largest and most aggressive crocodile species. Next is the African buffalo, renowned for its unpredictable aggression and impressive strength. Third is the grizzly bear, a powerful and aggressive predator found in North America. Fourth is the honey badger, known for its fearless and aggressive behavior. Finally, the Australian funnel web spider, one of the most venomous spiders in the world, is known for its aggressive nature and potent bite. Which aggressive animal surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Animal Quiz Fun for more exciting wildlife facts.